Let's take a look at how a downspout goes together. First thing we're going to do is we're going to join this corrugated pipe to the thin-walled PVC. Remember, this is a thin wall. This is not Schedule 40. Quite strong material. So slice the corrugated, slide it inside the coupling of the first piece of your PVC. Next, I like to go ahead and screw this pipe together so it never comes apart. Put a couple of screws in it. These are zip screws. They just barely go through, but they will bite into that corrugated and secure it very firmly. Because this pipe is actually going to be covered in concrete, we're going to go ahead and duct tape it so you can kind of see that it becomes really watertight in this area. Okay, now we're ready for our first 90. I've already cut the pipe to length, and you just push the 90 on, tap it in place, and we're ready to go for the next piece. Now we're starting the long run down the side of the building. And basically we just keep sliding our pipe together until we come to the next downspout. Remember that this pipe is sliding inside of the next piece, which has a coupling built in. Now we've got to adjust the downspout. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this with a hacksaw. It actually cuts pretty easy if you just believe you can do it. Go ahead and pull off the bottom of the downspout. Next, go ahead and kind of pinch it together and put on your downspout adapter, which is going into a 90 at the bottom. Now we're going to cut the T where this downspout joins the main line. Make a measurement, double check. The secret to this is to have a good hacksaw and to cut clear through the pipe. Don't stop. In other words, you can see I'm just cutting and cutting and cutting. I'm going to go ahead and get some leverage so the pipe breaks away, but the secret is to just keep cutting and you will go right through the pipe and have a very nice fitting. Clean off the burrs, snap your T in place, and we're ready to hook up the downspout to this pipe. Again, I do like to secure things together, and what I'm securing right here is the downspout adapter to the downspout, because we don't want that to pop off of there when they pour that concrete. I'm also securing the 90 to the corrugated adapter, because again, I just don't want that to pop off of there. These downspout adapters are pretty neat. You can see that it's kind of like a slinky, and I pulled it apart to get the correct depth. Okay, now let's cut the next T. Let's cut the next piece of pipe that fits into the T, and we'll be ready to continue on down the line. Make your measurement, cut clear through, clean your fittings, snap them together. And here's my finished drain that's going to be covered in concrete. You can see it's just laid on top of the ground. And it runs all the way to the front. It actually picks up another downspout right at the front corner. We're discharging it into a catch basin, which is right there by that trailer. But this is how a pipe looks if it's underground or on top of the ground. Either way, this is a downspout installation. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee